How to make Twitch stream better. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can make your Twitch stream better. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to make your Twitch stream better, all we have to do is there are a couple of things because there are so many aspects as to what you like to do. First, you can use OBS Studio or maybe even the Twitch Studio application depending upon what you use for your stream. And you might actually want to set up some scenes before the stream, such as like an intro, and you can actually prepare a welcome screen, a BRB screen, and an end screen for your viewers so that they can see those. You can also start using overlays and some extra Twitch extensions to make your stream look better. You can also make sure to always record and stream in a high quality format such as 1080p, at least at the very minimum 1080p, and 60 fps, which is recommended for gaming. You can also check out the extensions and add some music to your stream. But as I said, it doesn't really depend upon one single factor. It depends upon many factors: the camera, the settings, the streamings that you are using, and the services that you're using as well. Hopefully these tips might help you make your Twitch stream better. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.